Hi, my name's Natasha Varagushin and I'm a member of MYCOmmunity. MYCOmmunity is a not-for-profit organisation formed in 2018 by a group of like-minded individuals with a keen interest in citizen science and mycology. Through the Bioacquisitive Learning Lab in Brunswick, we're able to offer all sorts of classes and workshops, anything ranging from cultivation to conservation. We also hold many forays during the mushroom season in Melbourne and the outer suburbs. You can find us on Facebook and Instagram, MYCOmmunity, Applied Mycology Learning Lab.
Hi, my name's Andrew. I'm one of the directors for Bioacquisitive, which is this science lab in a shipping container. And if you're wondering what's so special about a science lab in a shipping container, it's because we're a community science lab. So what a community science lab is essentially a place where a community can get together and actually participate in hands-on science. This is unlike any other way or avenue of getting involved in science. You don't have to go to university. We have people here that are qualified to work with you or to supervise you. We do everything together, so there's a lot of oversight as far as who's doing what in the lab. We have a lot of different backgrounds here, so we have people interested in microbiology and mycology and personal health, you name it. If it's life science related, we can probably help facilitate it. One of the key things about a community science lab is all this equipment around me. One of the hardest things about science, which makes it so inaccessible to the public, is that you have to have a lot of this specialized equipment in order to do your work. We've done a lot of the heavy lifting already for you, so here at Bioacquisitive you will find pretty much all the different types of equipment you'll need to get started into your own personal journey in science. So hope to see you here.
Hi, my name's Emma. I'm involved with MYCOmmunity. Mycology in Australia is one of the most underfunded and understudied areas of science. Only about 20% of our species of fungi have even been described. Most of the data that we use for ecology and conservation purposes has come from citizen scientists. That means people just going out, looking for mushrooms and recording what they find. So we're trying to close the gap in that knowledge by expanding what citizen scientists can do. And that means giving them access to resources like microscopy and DNA technology. So one of the ways we're doing this is through the Wild Fungi DNA project, and that involves creating new environmental DNA tests that citizen mycologists can use to look for fungi in the environment without relying on fruiting bodies. The Wild Fungi project is a collaboration between a number of different citizen science, community and conservation organisations. We recognise the crucial role that citizen scientists have played in mycology in Australia, from recording sightings of mushrooms to doing DNA analysis and taxonomy. Unlike many citizen science projects, we aim to involve citizen scientists in every aspect of our project, from developing methods to gathering and analysing the data. We believe that everyone should have a right to take part in ecological research, and that empowering people to do so is one of the best ways to promote conservation. We've been developing two different methods to look for fungal DNA in the environment. One method is using a MinION portable DNA sequencer. Using this, we can find out all the different species of fungi in any environmental sample. The other method we have developed is a chemical test that changes colour in the presence of DNA of a specific species of fungus. These methods will vastly increase the amount of ecological data we can gather about our native fungi. This will improve our understanding of the life cycles of fungi and help us to improve land management practices such as controlled burns that may impact on fungal diversity. It will also help us to protect the habitats of endangered fungi and to assess species for protection under the IUCN Red List of Threatened Species. If you'd like to find out more, or if you want to be involved with MYCOmmunity or the Wild Fungi Project, please visit www.myco.org.au.